Kia ora. Welcome to Te Manava, Luxury Villas and Spa. My name is Chris, and this is our story.
Hi, Kia ora. My name is Komang. I'm the therapist in Te Manava Spa. I've been here for 8 years. I'm from Bali, Indonesia, and then I'm doing the same things also in Bali, and then I'm continue here, and I love my job. I feel very happy after the treatment, when I saw the guest, the face is different. I feel more happy than the guest. That's why I'm really happy to do this job.
My name is Sai, and I'm a beauty and spa therapist here at Te Manava. I've been in the college for the past 8 years now. I'm loving this place. I'm loving my job so far. I love the team, love everybody. I love the atmosphere, painting. So we've got techniques and we've got tricks to put in. Depends on the request.
I'm Jocelyn. I'm working in Pacific Resort before, but now I'm Te Manava. You look like this one. We're working like a housekeeping. We clean everything and dusting everything in. We just make sure that the guests can satisfy to stay here in Te Manava.
I'm Anna Passion. I've been working here at Te Manava for 12 years. I love working here. My motto in life is love your job, and then everything will follow. I am proud of my work. I'm a housekeeper and I love my job.
My name is Didi Artawan. I'm from Indonesia, Bali. I work in Te Manava. I do the job, grounds, clean the beach. After clean the beach, I look after the villa. If or arrival, I clean the pool. I from Indonesia, looking for job here in Rarotonga, Ko Island. I looking for money for help my parents.
My name is Twaine, and I am the Te Manava Villa concierge. Our guests, being able to serve our guests, to know what they need, to know the information they need to have a good holiday.
Yeah, we're having an awesome time. Our room was even more beautiful than we expected. Like we'd seen it online, but it is actually quite incredible. And everyone we talk to around the island, we say we're staying here, they go, oh wow, you're staying in the best place. And the staff have been amazing, very friendly, everyone says hi, and everything was beautifully presented and lovely and clean, and nothing's too much trouble. So yeah, we couldn't be happier. We definitely recommend it, which is why we're next door looking at the presidential suite now for next time.
I'm thinking a better place than and just chill, relax.